In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OneDrive local sync and backup. Whether you're looking to safeguard your important files or just want the convenience of accessing your data from any device, setting up OneDrive is a great choice. So let's get started with this simple step-by-step process that you can complete in just 5 minutes. First, locate the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. It's usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen on the taskbar. If you can't see it right away, click on the small up arrow to reveal the hidden icons. Now that you've found it, give it a single click. This action opens a small window where you'll find the option to open OneDrive settings. Once you're in this settings window, click on the settings option. Here, a new tab will open, presenting a range of options. What you want to do next is navigate over to the sync and backup tab. This tab is specifically designed to help you manage what gets synchronized and backed up on your device. When you're on the Sync and Backup tab, click on Manage Backup. This is where you'll decide which folders you want to be backed up to OneDrive. You'll see a list of folders that are currently set to backup, which typically includes desktop, documents, and pictures. If you wish for any additional folders to be backed up, simply toggle them on by clicking the switch next to each folder. It's a good idea to double check your selections here to ensure you're backing up everything that's important. If for any reason you decide you no longer want a folder to be backed up, you can easily stop backing it up by toggling the switch off. This gives you complete control over your storage and backup preferences. After making all the changes you want, don't forget to click Save Changes. This ensures all your selections are stored and OneDrive knows precisely what files to handle for you. For those who want to sync specific OneDrive folders with their device, you should head over to the Account tab next. Here you'll find the Choose Folders option. When you select this, you'll see all the folders available for syncing. Simply check or uncheck the boxes next to the folders you wish to sync. This allows you to tailor your OneDrive storage to your personal needs, syncing only what you really need accessible on your local device. Finally, once you're satisfied with your selections, click OK to apply the changes. And there you have it, your OneDrive setup for local sync and backup is complete. This easy process helps keep your data secure and accessible, giving you peace of mind and convenience, all wrapped up in just a few quick steps.